this program takes the input of digits and add, add the digits with add and get the added version of it. So the digits and add will both be an array, and so it'll have a function plus, which obviously takes the input of digits and add. And if length add is bigger than length digits, I will get into that later. So j will equal to length add -1. J will be going backwards through add, and output will start as nothing, and carry will start as 0. So for loop will be going through digits, but backwards, because it's going to do long addition starting from the end and then going forwards. So it'll do 1 plus 9, this 1 plus 9, this 1 plus 9, and then this 1 plus this 9, and then this 9 plus 0, this 9 plus 0. That's how this program is going to work. So it has a for I range which goes through digits backwards, and if I is equal to the length digits -1, that means it's the first time going through. So if I is equal to length digits, if digits I plus add j is small equal to 9, that means it does not have to carry anything over. That means it will add that to the output. So it will, in this case, it will not go in here though, because 1 plus 9 is bigger than 9, so it does have to do carrying. So it'll insert them combined modulo 10. What this does is it gets the remainder of divided by 10. So 10 divided by 10 would obviously have a remainder of 0. And if it was 11, it would have a remainder of 1, so it would obviously insert 1 to the array. But in this case, it would insert 0, because the remainder would be 0 if it's divided by 10, 10 divided by 10. And then carry will be equal to digits I plus add j divided by 10, so it's 1 plus 9, 9 plus 1 divided by 10. So that will get how, but you should move to the next one. So 10 divided by 10 would obviously be 1, so it would carry over 1 to the next one and add 1 to the next one. If it was 12, it would still be that. It will still carry over 1 to the next one. So yeah, that's what carries. So now carry would be 1. If it's not the first one, it will go in here. So it will go through this again, because it doesn't go in there. And also, it would decrement j. So instead of looking at this 9, it will look at this 9. So it will then go into this else statement, because it's not the first one anymore. And if carry plus 1 plus 9, if carry plus that is bigger than 9, is smaller than 9, it will just add it plus carry and then make carry 0 again. If it's not though, then it has to add the modulo 10 to get the remainder, and then make carry the new thing. Also, when doing the modulo 10, it obviously has to add carry now. And then we'll decrement j again. So that'll make, it'll be this 9 and it'll be this 1. So it does the same thing over, just this time it'll add carry and do the same thing. And now now j will be -1. That means it goes outside of the add. And so now what it has to do is if j is 0, because this is at the end, so if j is 0, that means it's gone through once while j is 0, then it'll make add equal to 0. So now it will just add nothing to this 9 and this 9, just like normal long addition. And then if carry is it will then eventually leave this after adding both 9s plus 0 plus the carries. Then it will leave. And if carry is not equal to 0, that means it still needs to carry 1 over. It will just add carry to the start of output. And if it's not, and then it will just return output and then print the output, which in this case would be 100110. And what this does is, if length add is bigger than length digits, it will swap it out. So the problem is, so if add is bigger than digits, then that would make a problem. Because so what it does is it would switch it over, because 9 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 9. So it'll switch it over so it doesn't create that problem. So that's what this part does. So that's what that part does. And in this case, the output would be 100110, because that's what 99 and 111 plus 999 is.